Hi friends, just a quick video to show how I fix up stuffed animals. These are actually Christmas tree ornaments from 1988-ish. We would buy them every year from McDonald's, and now my daughter has them. And the hang tabs broke off and ripped, so she asked me to fix them. So I had to find some ribbon that was similar, or you could use flannel on these, but in general I'm just showing you in stuffed animals in general, not necessarily just these ones. But so I just stitched the pieces together. I don't know if you can see, using a brown thread right in there, and then this one I actually had to tie the stitch it all the way around in the head because it was missing any kind of part to attach it to. But I wanted to show you how I do the eyes. So I have massive amounts of Sharpies, and you just get the color that matches the eye the best and fill it in. You can see that the black is filled in more and the yellow is filled in more, and you just pick the color that matches the best and try a dab and find the one that matches the best. So this one matched the best. And you can see I've done the left eye and not the right eye. So the right eye's all chipped still, and then the left eye's done. This works better with fine point, but I'm at my daughter's house and I don't have my fine point with me because I didn't want the kids to ruin them, so I just brought the regular ones. But this would be better with the fine point. I could fill it in a little bit better. All I have is this pretty beat up black Sharpie, but I've done this for years. You can kind of see I did it on this one, the black, probably before I gave it to her. And I'm not quite sure why this one wasn't done, or if it's just been beat up more since it came, since they got it last year from me. So I'm not quite sure if it's just been chewed on a little bit more this year, or if I didn't do it before. But I've done this for years on stuffed animal eyes and Barbie eyes and things if they get chipped. So get a variety of Sharpie. You want Sharpie because it won't come off. Now if I smeared it right now when I just put it on, it will smear, and it can stain also of the fabric. So you want to make sure you don't get it on the fabric, so you can put masking tape around it if you need to. But and then don't touch it for 24 hours. Just kind of stick it on a shelf somewhere. But anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com. And if I don't have the answer there, you can write me and ask. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.